Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you through a full day of eating designed for fat loss. I know how overwhelming it can be when you're trying to figure out what to eat to reach your goals. There's so much conflicting information out there. So, I wanted to share a simple, delicious, and sustainable approach that works for me. This isn't about restriction or eating boring food. It's about nourishing your body with whole foods that keep you full, energized, and on track. Remember, this is what works for my body and my goals. You might need to adjust portion sizes based on your own needs, but hopefully, this gives you some great inspiration. Let's get cooking. First up is breakfast, and for me, it has to be something that keeps me full all morning. There's nothing worse than feeling hungry an hour after you've eaten. So today, I'm making a protein-packed scramble. I'm using 3 whole eggs, which are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. To bulk it up and add some micronutrients, I'm tossing in a huge handful of spinach and some chopped bell peppers. I'll cook that all up in a little bit of olive oil and season it with some salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika. On the side, I'm having a slice of whole grain toast topped with a quarter of an avocado. This combination of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbs is the perfect trifecta to kickstart my metabolism and keep my energy levels stable until lunchtime. It's delicious, takes less than 10 minutes to make, and it honestly feels like a treat. All right, it's lunchtime. My philosophy for lunch is similar to breakfast. It needs to be satisfying and easy. I'm a big fan of meal prepping, so this lunch came together in minutes. Today, I'm having a big, vibrant salad. The base is a mix of leafy greens, and for my protein source, I've got about 150 grams of grilled chicken breast that I cooked up over the weekend. Protein is so crucial for fat loss because it helps you retain muscle mass and keeps you feeling satiated. To make this salad exciting, I'm adding a ton of color and texture. We've got cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, red onion, and about a quarter cup of chickpeas for some extra fiber and plant-based protein. The dressing is key. I'm avoiding a store-bought sugary dressing and instead whipping up my own with lemon juice, a splash of olive oil, and a little Dijon mustard. It's fresh, zesty, and complements all the flavors perfectly. This isn't your sad, boring diet salad. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that's genuinely enjoyable to eat. Now, we've hit that mid-afternoon slump, and this is where a lot of people can get derailed. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips or a cookie, I always have a smart snack ready to go. My go-to is almost always Greek yogurt. I'm having a single serving container of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. It's incredibly high in protein, which is, again, amazing for keeping hunger at bay. To make it more exciting, I'm adding a handful of mixed berries, like blueberries and raspberries. They add natural sweetness and a great dose of antioxidants and fiber without a lot of sugar. And for a little bit of crunch and some healthy fats, I'm sprinkling on about a tablespoon of slivered almonds. This snack is the perfect bridge between lunch and dinner. It satisfies my sweet tooth, gives me a boost of energy, and ensures I don't walk into dinner feeling absolutely ravenous, which often leads to overeating. It's simple, effective, and delicious. And we've made it to dinner. At the end of the day, I want something warm, comforting, and nutritious. Tonight, I'm making a classic, baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a fantastic choice because it's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your overall health. I have a beautiful 150-gram filet here, and I'm just seasoning it simply with salt, pepper, a squeeze of lemon, and some fresh dill. While the oven preheats, I'm chopping up a big batch of broccoli and some sweet potato. I'll toss those in a little bit of avocado oil and seasoning and spread them out on a baking sheet. The salmon and veggies will roast together at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The sweet potato provides those slow-releasing carbs that help replenish my energy, and the broccoli adds fiber and tons of vitamins. It's a one-pan meal, which means easy cleanup, and it's absolutely packed with flavor. This proves that eating for fat loss can be incredibly delicious and satisfying. So there you have it, a full day of eating for fat loss that is anything but boring. As you can see, every meal was built around a solid protein source, healthy fats, and lots of fiber from vegetables and whole grains. I didn't feel deprived, and I definitely didn't feel hungry. The key is to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods. This keeps you full, stabilizes your blood sugar, and provides your body with the fuel it needs to function at its best. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. You don't have to eat exactly like this every single day, but using these principles as a guide can make a huge difference in your fat loss journey. It's about creating healthy habits that you can stick with for the long run. Don't forget that proper hydration is also super important, so I've been drinking plenty of water throughout the day as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope this gave you some helpful ideas and inspiration for your own meals. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know what your go-to-healthy meal is. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.